What is going on, family? Cribs here. I just got done tackling a job, doing some modifications, and that's what the video is about today. It's about whether the Green Mountain Grill Davey Crockett Tailgate Edition that they don't make anymore, they've moved to a Trek. The Trek is the new design that they have for tailgating. Will the Davey Crockett fit on the new stainless steel cart that is made by Green Mountain Grill? Well, I ordered one in the mail. It showed up today, and that's what this video is about. So stay tuned. I have looked all over YouTube trying to find out if it would actually work. Couldn't find anything that answered my question. So I thought, what the heck? I'll bring it to you. I'll do it myself. And that's what this video is about. But before we go any further, I want to say hello to somebody that may be new here for the first time. Welcome to my YouTube channel, BeardSWAG Barbecue. I am your host, Mike Cribbs. I'm known as Swag in the bearded and the barbecue community. I have an Instagram channel that is _BeardSWAG_barbecue. If you'd like to go over and follow me on Instagram, welcome. Welcome to the family. Right down below, there are some subscribe button. There is a reminder bell, there is a thumbs up, there is a share. Smash those buttons. It's very important to my channel. Helps me grow and helps me get out there to some people that may have questions, may be interested in a channel like this. So, I've already told you what it's about. I've already finished the project, and I want to show you what I did, the steps that I took. It's quick, it's simple, and it answers the question, will it work? Enjoy the intro. I'll see you in just a second. Okay, family, we're out here on my back cooking deck, my back kitchen area where I have my smokers. This is where all the magic happens. And today I wanted to bring you a video because I've tried to see, I have a Green Mountain Grill Davey Crockett edition. It's the tailgater. It's the one that we use when we go out camping. But I use it at home a lot more than I use it out camping. And I always have it sitting out on my stainless steel table out here, and it kind of gets in the way. So as you can see on the right-hand side, I bought the Trek cart that is basically, the Trek is a replacement for the Davey Crockett model that they made a cart for, and I want to do some modifications to my Davey Crockett to see if it will actually fit in there and I can utilize it outside and kind of free up the space on my stainless table out here and use it for what it's for instead of just holding up my Davey Crockett. So that's what this video is about. I'm going to go ahead and unbox the Trek cart right now and then come back and show you what it looks like, the functions of it. It's not going to be putting it together or anything like that. There's other videos, but I haven't seen any good videos yet of somebody actually going through the process to see if that Davey Crockett will fit in the Trek cart. So that's what this video is about. Hang tight. I'll be back with you in just a second. Okay, just to show you, it took me about 15 minutes to put this thing together. Very nice, well-built construction, heavy duty, stainless steel, locking wheels that don't let it go anywhere, a front shelf that locks in place with two levers right down here, and then another one that on the side that goes up and connects right there on the side. So you got two shelves and you can take them down if you want. So very nice construction. I like this thing a lot. So, and then you got a shelf down here you can put some stuff on, but very strong, all stainless steel, heavy duty for such a squatty little cart. That's all I wanted to tell you. I'll be right back. All right, guys. After about, I'd say 45 minutes trial and error, just taking things apart, not losing the shims, not losing the washers. What I've done is I've got the Davey Crockett attached to, not attached, but sitting in the Trek cart. It doesn't fit perfectly, no, but it can be done. The only thing that I've noticed is when I set it in here, the heavy side with the pellets, you can pop it up. Now, what I've done here, and I'll show you so we can go over this. I took the legs off, the spring legs, and I basically flipped them upside down and have the bolts from the underneath. All of them are inside, so you can see. Not very bright, but you can see they're just inside. Same with the hardware. The hardware from the legs, you can't really see over there, but the hardware for the legs and the stoppers, I put them back in so smoke wouldn't escape. But everything seems to be fine. You can see there's just a little bit of a space, a gap right here that I think I might try to find a way to shim this with a piece of metal, something, but I don't think it'll be an issue. But it fits pretty good. I'm pretty happy with the way that it looks. And then everything else, it's all in a pile over here. You can see I've got I don't need this anymore. That'll be for when I go camping, taking on a trip. The legs, I'll keep them accessible so I can put them back on. Here's all of the hardware. Keep it in a bag. Everything but the bolts, because due to the fact I just put them back in so no smoke, not excess smoke, wouldn't get out of it. And I don't know how those legs are gonna. You can see that's a better view of how I did it. But I just wanted you to show that it can be done. I wanted a more thorough video of it. So now I'll put everything back in. Nothing should be in the way. Dogs are out here with me. And now we'll just put this back. Nice little setup, very heavy duty. Like I say, drip pan works. Everything goes on. You can lock all the wheels down. And then it doesn't roll anywhere, but it's nice. It's waist level, so you can work in it. So there you go, y'all. There is the first video, at least that I've seen, of doing the modifications for the Davey Crockett, putting it on the Trek cart. I hope this helped. Leave me some comments down below of what you think and if you're going to do this as well. All right, guys, God bless. And as always, I love you. I'm proud of you. Go tell somebody you love them. Go tell somebody that you're proud of them. If you have any questions, just get hold of me. But it's doable, and it doesn't really take that long. See you later. Cribs out.